Planning your first trip, but not sure where to go? You're not alone. With thousands of amazing places around the world, picking the perfect destination can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from figuring out your travel style to choosing based on your budget, season, and safety, so your trip will be unforgettable for all the right reasons. Let's dive in. What kind of trip do you want? Before anything else, ask yourself, what kind of experience are you looking for? Do you want to relax on a sunny beach? Explore a historic city full of museums and landmarks? Go hiking in the mountains or national parks? Or maybe dive into a completely new culture and taste incredible local food? Your answer here will narrow your list fast. Here are some ideas to spark inspiration. Beach lovers? Think Thailand, the Greek islands, or the Philippines. History fans? Try Rome, Athens, Istanbul, or Kyoto. Food and culture? Consider Mexico City, Marrakech, or Hanoi. Nature and adventure? Check out Costa Rica, Peru, or New Zealand. Leave a comment. What type of traveler are you? Budget. What can you really afford? Let's talk money, because your budget determines almost everything. Where you can go, how long you can stay, and what kind of experiences you can afford. Here's a simple breakdown. Tight budget, $500. Stick to places like Eastern Europe, Budapest, Krakow, or Southeast Asia, Chiang Mai, Hanoi. Hostels, street food, and public transport will stretch your money far. Mid-range budget, $500, $1,500? You've got more freedom. Cities like Lisbon, Istanbul, or Tokyo in shoulder season can offer great value. High-end luxury? Try Iceland, Switzerland, or the Amalfi Coast. These places are breathtaking, but expensive. And don't forget hidden costs: travel insurance, local SIM cards, currency exchange fees, and transportation once you arrive. Timing is everything. You found a great destination, but when you go is just as important. Some tips: avoid peak tourist seasons unless necessary. They're crowded and pricey. Look for shoulder seasons, right before after peak times. Better weather, fewer crowds, lower prices. Examples: Paris is best in May or September, not in crowded July. Bali's dry season runs April to October, perfect beach time. Japan's cherry blossom season in March-April is magical but packed. Always check local weather conditions, national holidays, things might be closed, and festivals, which can either make your trip amazing or chaotic. Logistics, the practical stuff. Don't fall in love with a destination, only to realize it's complicated or expensive to reach. Here's what to check first. Visa requirements. Some countries require approval in advance. Flight routes. Are there affordable direct flights from your airport? Local transport. Can you easily move around once you're there? Accommodation options. Is there a range from budget to mid-range? Language barriers. Is English widely spoken, or will you need translation apps? Tools that help. Google Flights, compare prices and dates. Rome to Rio, transport options between cities. Nomad List, digital nomad cost of living data. Reddit and travel forums for insider tips. Other practical questions. How long are you willing to fly? Some places are incredible but require long-haul travel. Will jet lag affect your plans? Are vaccines or special insurance required? Are there cultural customs you should be aware of? Small things make a big difference. Don't skip the research phase. It can save your trip. My top 3 beginner destinations. If you're still unsure, here are 3 of my go-to recommendations for first-time travelers. 1. Portugal. Friendly, affordable, safe, and beautiful. Great food, great weather. 2. Thailand. Perfect mix of beaches, culture, and adventure. 3. Mexico, Yucatan. Easy to travel, great for food lovers, and rich in history. Final thoughts. Choosing your first destination is exciting, but also overwhelming. Take your time, ask yourself the right questions, and focus on the kind of experience you want, not just what's trending. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into building your budget, finding cheap flights, and packing smart for any destination. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and comment below. Where are you dreaming to go first? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.